Brightwheel allows you to add multiple payers, including family members, as well as approve pickups. You can designate how much each contact will be invoiced for, and this balance will be reflected on their individual Brightwheel accounts. To add multiple payers, on the Accounts Details section of a student's billing profile, click Add Payer at the bottom. All contacts for this child will be listed for you to select as a payer. Please note, all parent contacts will automatically be added as payers. If you don't see the intended contacts here, you can add them on the student's profile under Contacts. The primary payer is the first parent that connects the payment method and is responsible for all unassigned invoices. You can change the primary payer by clicking Actions next to the payer. When creating a billing plan or one-time charge for this student, you'll now have the ability to assign charges to specific payers you've selected. When you assign charges to another payer, the amount will automatically be split between the payers, or you can enter amounts manually. You'll notice a confirmation that all charges have been assigned to a payer. If all the charges haven't been covered, you'll receive an error indicating that the charge assignments must equal the total amount. When finished entering amounts, click Save or hit Enter. Please note that if you create a charge and choose not to specify amounts for each payer, the total amount of the charge will be invoiced to the primary payer. Please also note, if you wish to later remove a payer, you'll need to first remove their assigned charges. Then back on the Accounts Details screen, you can click Actions next to the payer, then select Remove Payer. Once you are done adding charges, complete the process and you'll be all set. You'll notice that 2 invoices have been generated. One for Jennifer Smith and one for John Johnson. The charges that you have assigned will be invoiced to each contact respectively on their accounts. Please note, each contact can still view and pay any and all charges for the student, but only the charges assigned to them will be reflected on their current balance amount. You can see here that Jennifer Smith's balance is only $200, but the total amount owed for the student across all payers is $300. For example, if Jennifer clicks Make a Payment, her first option will be to pay only her current balance of $200, but she can also pay the invoices for John Johnson as well by selecting individual invoices and then selecting them on the next screen. She can also view and pay any invoice by selecting View at the bottom. While payers can view and pay invoices not assigned to them, if they enable autopay, autopay will only trigger for the invoices assigned to them directly. If they are the primary payer, any invoice not assigned to another payer will automatically trigger for them. To edit a billing plan for a student to assign charges, click Actions, then View and Edit. Then click the pencil icon next to Charges. Finally, click Actions once more and Edit Charge. You'll then be able to assign charges as before. Please note that if you're creating a billing plan for multiple students, you won't be able to designate particular payers. You'll only be able to do this while creating or editing a billing plan or one-time charge for a single student. And if you have any questions, you can reach the Brightwheel support team by clicking the Help bubble at the bottom of your account if using a computer. Then click Send Us a Message. To do this in the app, select Help, then Send Message to Customer Service. You can then send your message. If you're writing in during Brightwheel's business hours, administrators usually receive a reply, most often in 60 seconds or less.